4, 5.
Hey everyone, it's Chris Beal with the Beal Group. Inside I got Scott waiting to show you the backyard, but let me tell you a little bit about what we have going on. Today we have our newest listing hitting the market. It's 139 St. Francis Avenue. At 108 years old, you're not going to believe how well it's been redone. Built in 1917, this 920 square foot house is 2 bedrooms, 1 bath. Come on inside, take a look at what living downtown can get you. Hey, hope you're enjoying your tour so far. A couple of things in this house that really make it stand out for downtown. In May of 2024, they put a brand new metal roof on. They replaced all the windows, updated the kitchen, updated the bathroom, done all the floors throughout the house, re-leveled it. It's as move-in ready as you could ask for in a house with this much history. Now that we've seen through the house, let's check out all the work they've done in this backyard. I love the fact they've zero-scaped all this area right in front of the double gates in case you want to bring something in. They've also included a nice sitting area. Speaking of which, Scott, what do you think of the seating area?
I like it. Seems pretty sturdy.
It does seem pretty sturdy when you do it like that.
I can visualize us sitting back here on a nice day, got a fire, relaxing.
And pretty nice.
Great. Not to mention those crepe myrtles are huge.
Dude, those are some of the biggest crepe myrtles I've ever seen. I really wonder what color they are. One of the things about crepe myrtles, if you're not familiar with them, they do bloom in different colors. So whoever has this house come spring is gonna find out what color these beautiful crepe myrtles are gonna end up being. Another thing about this area is they're revitalizing the entire area. Between the condos behind me and several other areas around town, let me show you a couple of those real quick and we'll come right back. So within walking distance of 139 St. Francis, here we are at Kunstler Brewing Company. They have tons of craft beers and they actually have some of the best German food in the city. I lived in Germany for 4 years, so I'm always looking for good schnitzel and bratwurst. This place probably has some of the best in the city.
Whoops.
You want to get out smoother?
The moment you get out, you have to start talking. Like, hey guys, hey, just look out like, welcome to Latuna. One of the local favorite spots to get a nice cold cerveza and a quick bite to eat when you're downtown.
Another cool place to check out if you're downtown is Latuna Ice House and Grill. In the summertime, this place gets packed. If you're coming down for a bite to eat or a cold cerveza, if you're in the area, come check it out.
Oh, there's another cool place up here. So now we're at what I consider the heart of this area of town, which is the Blue Star Brewery. Behind me is the restaurant for a cold beer, quick bite to eat. We also have Helicon Bar 1919. Probably has the biggest bourbon selection in the entire city. Little known fact, there's 1 bottle of vodka in the whole bar. The owner's not a real big fan of vodka. Me and my daughter and my wife used to come down here all the time, and we'd catch the trail here to ride our bicycles. If you have any damage, whether it be a flat tire or anything, they've really got you covered with the bicycle shop, Blue Star Bicycle. So if you have a flat tire or anything like that, they've got you covered. We have a sushi restaurant, we have Helicon here, Bar 1919. Almost anything you want is here at the Blue Star Brewery.
And if you're in the mood for that speakeasy vibe, this is the staircase that'll get you to the best bourbon selection in the city.
Hey everyone, welcome back. Hope you enjoyed some of the highlights of the area that we chose to show you. If you want to see this house or any other house, I'm Chris, this is Scott with the Beal Group. Just let us know.
Our contact information is below and we look forward to hearing from you.
Bye guys. I forgot my leaf blower. You're on that call for almost 10 minutes,
Uh-huh.
and you forgot every fucking one of your lines, I guarantee it.
Oh, that's what.
I'm ahead of your phone.
Why are we beating me up today?
It's like shooting center mass.
I hope Heather's hearing this shit. I hope she hears this shit.
I ain't never heard of it.
If it's got bad weather, you can just sit under and hang out. Enjoy the day.
And you can enjoy that day.
You're one giant run-on sentence, you know that?
I don't know where a comma goes, I don't give a